If you're new, hi, my name is Sue, and if you're returning, welcome back. So I know it's been a really long time since I posted a video, but it's just been a crazy month. But this video is my food diary of all the places that I went and ate at for the month of April. I will also be posting up a Fitbit review of the Fitbit Versa later this week or next week, and possibly also a graduation video of what I did in preparation for graduation and what happened during graduation and what is going to happen after graduation. So I will write down everywhere that I went to down in the description box below. If you like what you see, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment if you have any questions for me or just want to say hello, and make sure you subscribe and share the word to all your friends who are avid food lovers like I am. But that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
So I am at Burgers and Lobsters with this one. We got the burger and lobster combo and a bit. This is only $35 for all this. Guys, there's bacon in my burger. The burger itself could be like $20-something, but there's also lobster, fries, and salad. Wow, let's dig in. Oh my goodness. Hi. Just got Elizabeth roll on the house. What? Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the most oh my god. Alright. Asian glow. Little tint thing of chicken. But we finished! Hello! Oh, isn't she a beauty, guys? Hello! At Taqueria. Oh my god, this food looks dank. Is that what people say? Ready to feast! Hi, Patty. We're at HIBERNIA. Yeah. Hey, mate. Long time no see.
I don't know if that like helps or not.
Thanks, Justine. Oh, look at that. Wow. Thank you.